My name is Andrea Goldsmith. I'm Dean of Engineering and Applied Science at Princeton University. I also wear some other hats. I'm a wireless researcher. I'm on the board of Intel and Crown Castle and Medtronic, which all use wireless or develop wireless technology. And so I have different perspectives around wireless and partnerships between industry and academia to make it more successful. I think it's critical to bring together people from academia and industry in a way that they can have deep conversations about what are the technical challenges that industry is facing in either developing technology, thinking about applications, monetizing the applications that they have. And for researchers to actually have those deep conversations helps to inspire them to look at new problems, helps to inform the research that they're doing, and also helps to get them to go back to their universities and excite the students to work in this area and develop the workforce that we need to drive wireless technology forward. They're all challenging. So from the chip design that we need to drive very high performance, very low energy consumption, technology that can not only enable very small, low-power devices, but also future cell phones and future high-bandwidth devices. So there's the technology at the chip level. There's the systems, which have always been, that's what I work in. So the complexity of thinking about how are we going to develop the physical layer, the multiple access layer, the networking, the infrastructure, utilizing the cloud and the backbone. How do we integrate AI ML into not only the technologies we're developing, but how do we make sure that these networks will support AI ML applications on the devices, on the edge, and also in the cloud? And then really, what are the killer applications that will drive adoption by consumers such that they're willing to pay more? Because I think that's part of the challenge of current cellular technology is that people love it and they use it and it's essential to their lives, but they're not willing to pay more for higher performance. And that's because we're not enabling applications that they would be willing to pay more for. So those are the kinds of things that we need to be thinking about through these conversations in terms of developing breakthroughs for 6G. Well, there's a lot of things that I've learned so far. I mean, one of them is really we aren't utilizing this new tool of AI ML as much as we can for developing better networking technology. I think one of the other things that's interesting to me is that a lot of what we're talking about for 6G, low latency, low energy, high performance, is exactly what we talked about for 5G. So I think we need to think more deeply about what will drive 6G, new applications, new products, new services that people will want to pay for. And so I don't think we should only be talking about the technology, but we really need to think top down. What are the applications that people are really going to pay for, and what are the technologies? Maybe we have them now. Maybe 6G shouldn't really be focused on developing new technologies. It should be focused on figuring out how to use those technologies in new ways. So I think we need to be thinking much more creatively and broadly, bringing in users to these kinds of events to really figure out what should be driving 6G. It shouldn't be the technology driving the next generation. It should be how are the carriers going to monetize these new technologies? And that requires a different kind of conversation that I think we should be having.